So, good day, guys. I'm back again. With another review. Another review. See, you guys know me now. This new movie that is out now. I can't I can't even wait. You people need to go and watch the movie. I can't wait to see you people review about this movie. Like people comment about this movie. The movie is interesting. Very, very interesting. So I will be dropping a little part so that you just have a little taste. When I mean a little taste of it, you will have a little taste of it. And I'll be dropping the text later so you can go and download yours and come back to my comment section and thank me. Yeah?